Kurumzari, ISTV Manipuri Paumining Tabira Pudamabu Taram Noxari, Masigi Maru Pauda, Atuba Matamda, Manipur, Malengi Tourism Gimipta, Yawangam Lagani Haina, Chief Secretary, PC Lamkungana, Tazaba Fundorati, Pau Sandokna Pizari. Atuba Matamda, Manipur, Malengi Tourism Gimipta, Yawangam Lagani Haina, Chief Secretary, PC Lamkungana, Tazaba Fundorati. Wafamasi ngasi All Secretariat Liba Mahaki Office Chamber da Manipur Biodiversity Board na puthokpa calendar phongpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokibani mahakna makhata na phongdokibada Manipur asi athuba matamda tourism spot mayam leihanduna malemgi tourism gi mapta yawba ngamlagani athubada lamdam asida cable car uba fanglagani Sendra Kaina amadi khugana chingba fazaraba mafam sing ningthina Semgatuna tourist sing bupungning chingsinba ngamlagani masigi mathakta state asida thubada tourist academy ama hangbagalwinana tourist sports sing private ta sinaduna ningthina maintain tawnaba thawrang pakhatpa hore haiki
Manipur will be in the map of tourism, global tourism very soon. We are having a lot of this tourism scheme on hand, like for example mega tourism program in Sendra, like what they call this cable car in Sendra from Saubalok to Sendra, something. And we'll be having academy for tourism. And at the same time, we are having many tourism homes in different places, Kuga, Waitho, Kaina, More, here and there. This also will be leased out to the interested person for running them.
Paumi Singh na hangkiba state government ki mingchat purakningai oiba kari thabak paikhat kibagi haiba wahangi pakhumda Chief Secretary na haukiba chahi ama makhairungi mamangdagi leibaki oiba singthaningai oiba thabak thoram kya government asina paikhat khre Ziri bamdagi tupul yoga railway project peningai oiba mongda khumang choksina thabak chathari project asi chada humphudra loisinbagi changda leire tupul lagi Imphal yoga railway project sangdokna survey loire miyamna loisinba ngamnaroi hainariba sanjenthong sabagi thabak ningthina chathari Lakliba April tha phawagi manungda loisinduna sangagani haibagi thajabat lei thong asi sabagi machak sing loinen leire hauji waliba haibabu France tagi purakadaba hangar khaktamak ngaire hangar purakpada karigi asuk yamna matam koina changlibanu haina paumi singa hangkibada Chief Secretary na wafam asi import export ka mari leinabana matam koina changba oigani haina na koina na phungdokhi border fencing gi matang hangkiba wahangi pakhumda Chief Secretary na wafam asi yamna sensitive oiba issue asi external affairs ki thakta leiba maramna thoidokpa mod piningde haiki
Railway project is making a lot of progress. Now I can show you this in the power presentation also, but there is no time. So I monitor it also. Sometimes this chief engineer and official came to me and briefed me on the progress of railway project construction. Now from Ziribam to Tupul, more than 70% work has been completed. That is around 111 kilometers. From Tupul to Imphal, survey has been completed, and the target date of completion, the entire railway is 2016 March.
Manipur da wathok oiraba Tomdesna High School oiramba mafamdagi mioibagi sarusayang nipan phangkibagi matangda paumi singna hangkiba wahangda mak masagi oiba modki matangda PC lamkungana makhatana Mafam asi ing lising amaga chamapan subna manga amadi ing lising amaga chamapan kun aduwaida kabui sing khara khundaram ki haibagi record lei phangliba saru sing adu kabui singi mi siraga phumbagi sanabi leibana makhoigi oiramba yabagi thajaba lei adumakpu wafam asi chapchan haibangamde hauzik makhatana leibak kabagi thabak chathari haina su phungdorakli
So government has decided to hand it over to CBI. We have already written to Department of Personnel. The authority of giving this sanction for engaging the CBI is Department of Personnel, not Home Ministry. Because CBI has been set up under the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1947. RAW is under Cabinet, CBI is under DOPT. If any further recovery of skeleton is found, it will be preserved. But till now, no further recovery is made. I have no idea at all, but information we have was that way back in 1905 or 1920 something, there's a locality of Kabui. Kabui people are living there, who used to bury their dead within their own compound. This is what we have been told. Whether it is correct or not, I don't know. There is one elderly, very old person of Kabui told the police people that this is the locality of Kabui people.
Panbayay Amarumda, Tombisna High School Uramba, Mapamdagi, Laibak Kotopuri Tabagasi, M Suna Makata Natava Yaro Haina, a thing but Tamkiba, Lake Rabani. Marakana Tenba, Brem Tanglozari, Amukana Taram Loxeri. Manipur Sarkar na Haksel Gilamda, a hen Ying Sangduna, Chingi, Manung Hanjin Bamapam Kayana, Praza Singda, Matanga Chunaba, Ana Langi Kudung Saba, Fangana Batabakia, left and a Paikalabasu, Mapam Kyada, Dr. Laitabamadi, Primary Health Subcenter, Singtong Londuna, Laibaya Wadagi, Kudong Sadabakia, Praza Singna Mayuknari, Manipurda, Ana Langi Tabak Toram Sing, Matau Karam na Chakwat Hangani Madi, Sarkarna, Kari Tabak Paikadani Haibagi Matanga, ISTV News na Dr. Yang Tongan Basin Pamda, Laiba, Mui Singi Wakalon Sing Fongdok Handuna, Lagliba, Tha Asigi Manungchana, Senior Citizen for Society Manipurgi, General Secretary Professor L. Sadanandanasu, Masagi Webamot Tamlagli, Manipurda, Ana Layangi Tabak Thoram Sing Chakat Hangi Harabadi, Manipurgi, District Mapanda Laiba, District Hospital Sing, Matanga Chunabamong, the Semgatuna, Dr. Amadi Takar Laiba, Staff Masing Suna Tambatangai Fadi Haiki.
The health sector is Chakulan Harabadi, District Hospital. Say full-fledged district hospital, every district, Manipur ki Laiba district Mapan Ching Amsung Tam Loin Pulaga. Message da full-fledged district hospital amam lehenba ada message da manpower, doctor, nurses, paramedical staff, achang bapunamak sun thambi ba adaga specialist ma'am. Specialist se impal da panguna yaroi abse. Yaroi उसे मफम खुदिंग मतसु हारिबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल सिंग स्पेशलिस्ट की सर्विसेस से फंगदबने अदु वरगदि कईगिदमक्ता आदगे सितानमुक लाकपगी दरकार लेदोइनो मदुगी फैसिलिटी दु लेटरदगी लाइने
Mahang Makata Fongdorakpada, Sarkana Doctor, transfer Kak Tawagi Muhuta, Ana Langi Lamda Tabak Tawgadaba Mui Sing Yauna, transfer Tawagaluina, transfer State Policy Masim Doctor Amadi Ana Langi Tabak Tawriba, Mui Singnasu, Masagi Apa, Mapam Kanduna, Tabak Tawagi Hainabi, Tadokadabani. Order Amagi Makada, transfer Tawragli Mapam Aduda, Lapam Tokpa, Matamadu, Chapchana Laiduna, Matau Nintina Pang Toklabadi, Manipurda, Ana Langi Lamda, Soidana Awan Bama Purapada, Chauna Mating, Oyan Haiki.
There should be a transfer policy. Policy am same with the name Pajana. Koi state na. State ki doctor sing, state ki nurse sing, labor, medical staff, mayam sing sigi transfer policy am Pajan Sebio, Koi Hai. As new moina Mazigi Pajana, Wangang na Batotana. Was it the Pesa Pidana one ombagi, konombagi postingi, transfer and postingi, wapam is a kautok, but the Gawere. Tiny general nebse. Masi other Nasiki Chocolate transfer postings, Masi Wang with the quality. Say Anira, Ohumla, Marira, Cano, later yadi. Ko. Once transport or the Nanga like them. Hyper Polysiema, Ko. Mapamada, Sahi Asuktagi Tatana, like them, Hyper Polysiema Tokadam. Other day, Chahi Surakanda, Mabu Amok. Atopam from the Tadanam from the Tamjin Bagi, Tangai for the Visila Aroever. One angler roy some night. New Mama Chalagadi. New Chatavashini, quite like activity.
Panbayay Handag ISTV News na Manipurgi Manung Hanjin ba Sanapati District ki Manung Channa Laiba Makui Themram da Chatuna Chizulubada Mapam Aduda Ana Layang Sang Lairam Dabadagi Anaba Sagai Saduna Puthorakpa ISTV News da Sandokre Amaromda Kwatha Khulda Lairiba Primary Health Subcenter asida Mathau Tawgadaba Doctor Amadi Mari Lainaba Staff Laitabadagi Thong Londuna Lairamba Thengnarakhibagi Pau Miyamda Khangan Khrabani Uzik Marakta Naten ba break amagam luxury Amuka na taram luxury Maitai Manba, Chahi, Nymphomangarung Giling, Oigadaba, Sib Hakchangama, Pauna Kaitindagi, Polo Ground Taba, Lambigi Jain Mandir Mayada, January Gitang, Anida Siduna Lerambadagi, Masag Maming Kangdok Naba Rimski Mukta Tamkre, January Gitang Taretki, Ayukpung Tara Fawagi Manunda, Kanagumba Amatane claim Tarok Trabadi, disposed of Kragani Haina, City Police Station at Hadrok Pachero Lamanat Kangalagli. Manipur Biodiversity Board na Puthopa calendar form bugithoram amang asi Chief Secretary PC Lungkungagi All Secretary Talaiba Office Chamber da pangthokri thoramadu Additional Chief Secretary N Jha Principal Secretary Agriculture Ram Muibha Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Bala Prasanna Chingba Official Singna Saruk Yakhi 2015 ओइना पुथोकपा कैलेंडर असि सोक्सिलक्लिबा एनवायरनमेंट कन्ननबु होनबदा मियामना लौगदबा थौदांगी मतंगदा तोगान तोगानबा मफमदा स्टेट लेवल की ओइना पांगथोकिबा पेंटिंग कंपटीशन सिंगदा महरोइ सिंगना येकपा लाई सिंगदा युमफम ओइबनी मरुएबा पाउ अमुका ने पिजरी अथोबा मतमदा मणिपुर मालेंगी टूरिज्म की मेपता यावबा ngamlagani haina चीफ सेक्रेटरी पीसी लंकुंगाना थासबा फोंदोरकली मिलिंग ताबिरबसिंगु अमुका ने खुलुमजरी